iPhone location service is not working. Your GPS seems broken, but almost every case is a setting or a software bug. Here are 12 fixes from easiest to most advanced.
Before any fix, 3 quick checks. 1. Is location services turned on? Settings, privacy and security, location services. 2. Is your app allowed? Set it to while using the app or always with precise location on.
3. Are you somewhere GPS can see the sky? Indoors and tunnels block it. All good? Move to fix 1.
Fix 1. Check app permissions. Open settings. Tap privacy and security. Then location services. Make sure the master switch is on. Then tap your app. Choose while using the app or always. And turn precise location on. Most GPS not working reports end right here.
Fix 2. Toggle it off and on, then restart. Turn location services off. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. Turn it back on.
Then power off the iPhone and start it again. Screen frozen? Force restart. Volume up, volume down. Hold the side button until the Apple logo.
Fix 3. Refresh the radios and fix the clock. Turn airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds. Turn it off. Then check settings, general, date and time. Set automatically must be on. GPS uses satellite time, so a wrong clock breaks the math.
Fix 4. Turn the radios back on. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data. Your iPhone uses nearby Wi-Fi and cell towers even when you're not connected. It's called assisted GPS. Keeping these on makes location fixes faster and sharper.
Fix 5. Our top fix. System services. Settings, privacy and security, location services. Scroll all the way down. Tap System Services.
Now check Share My Location. The iOS 26 update turned this off for many users. That's why Find My showed no location found. Turn it back on. Also make sure compass calibration, networking and wireless, and improved location accuracy are on.
Fix 6. Calibrate the Compass. Open the Compass app. Move your phone in a figure 8 a few times. The heading snaps back to north, and navigation apps get accurate direction again.
Fix 7. VPN and battery saver settings. Turn the VPN off. It can block location traffic.
Turn low power mode off and low data mode off because they pause background location updates. Keep background app refresh on.
Fix 8. Update iOS in your apps. Settings General. Software update. Install the latest version. iOS 26.1 and later fix GPS and find my bugs for many users.
Then update your apps in the App Store, especially Maps and your navigation apps.
Fix 9. Reset location and privacy. Settings, General, scroll down. Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset and reset location and privacy.
The phone asks to confirm. It resets location and privacy settings to factory default, but it does not delete your data. Apps will ask for permission again.
Fix 10. Reset the network settings. In the same Reset menu, choose Reset Network Settings. It wipes Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, but your photos, apps, and messages are safe.
Reset all settings is the bigger hammer, only if you need it.
Fix 11. Reinstall the app and check the battery. Long press the app. Remove app. Delete. Then reinstall it from the App Store.
Then check Settings, Battery health.
A degraded battery around 80% has been linked to GPS problems. Apple can replace it.
Fix 12. Restrictions, or a factory reset. In screen time, content, and privacy restrictions, make sure location services says allow changes.
Then, if nothing worked, back up your iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Set it up as new without restoring. Test maps. If it works, it was software. If it still fails, it's hardware.
Why does this happen? Most common. Location permissions off. 2. The iOS 26 update reset system services. 3. Network radios off. 4. Wrong date and time.
5. Compass calibration. 6. Buildings, tunnels, and window tint. 7. Battery and hardware. And no. Your GPS chip is probably fine. Most cases are settings.
Start with these 3. Check permissions. Re-enable Share My Location and System Services, and reset location and privacy. That covers most cases. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next fix.